Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time it may be for you. Welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. Today we have a small little mail call video. Grumpy got a letter. Been waiting for this one. Mr. Allen from Old Paths Woodworks, he sent me a letter today, and we get to see what we got. I got it taped up. Oh. Yep. Oh. We got our sticker. That's what we've been waiting for. Yes, sir. I like that letter too. Thank you. Here's our new sticker. Let's see where we go with Mr. Allen sticker. We're going to go over here. Mr. Grumpy. He says, shit, hold on. Oh, I love this sticker. It had a little edge that made it easy to get to. Oh, I just got to stretch. Slap it on your day, give it a new hue. Old Path Woodworks, you made my day. Get the bubbles out. Thank you, Mr. Allen. I appreciate the sticker. Y'all go check out Mr. Allen, Old Path Woodworks. He has an awesome little channel. Oh, bump the camera. But y'all go check him out. Sticker board's starting to get full. It'll take me forever to start calling everybody's channels out. But there are tons of channels going on up here. Y'all need to go check everybody out. If you got a question on who stickers who, hey, shoot me a comment. I'll be glad to tell you. But we got some great talent going on up here. Thank you for all the stickers, everybody. Y'all keep doing what y'all do. Y'all have a great day. And check out my description. I'll have a link for Spike in there. And I'll also have a link for Alan's channel at Old Path Woodworks. Y'all have a great day. Thank you. Ooh, it's hot. We got to do the sticker shout out. Wowie's Workshop, 2 brothers, 1 vision. That's what these 3 are, and my blonde keys. I love that. It's just awesome. Y'all go check him out. Robert C. Peters, y'all go check out his channel. He made Mr. Grumpy Pipe right there. Just awesome. Got Dad Carbs, awesome channel. Professor Rusty, he's got some cool stuff. That's where I got that sticker from right there too. You got Ray and Sandy's Woodworking, awesome channel. Johnny Lath's Crafts, awesome channel. That's where I got that piece of wood from in today's video. That old man right there is always in the damn wood. You got Josh and Casey at Creation Dust 777. He's got an awesome channel. Bear and the Boss Lady, that's another Josh, awesome channel. Hey, there's another Josh with an awesome channel, The Electric Woodwork. Jordy Johnson, go check him out. Sean Brooks, Spit on Fire, awesome channel. Perry Carving Wizard, awesome channel. DeLand's Handmade Woodworking, awesome channel. Sophie Under the Bark, I love her channel. Oh, Suzanne Rhinestone, awesome channel. Another Jordy Johnson. And hey, there's our sticker today. Mr. Allen at Old Path Woodworks, y'all go check him out. And then over here, there's a few more of my extras and everything that I put up over here. This is my lathe. I got that on top of the lathe. Yep. Having fun with them. Alright, y'all have a great day.